Hi everyone, welcome to EssEssBii Education. Today we will solve a problem which is very important nowadays. We have two equations, x minus y equals 9 and x squared plus y equals 81. We have to find the value of x power 2022 plus y power 2022. We can solve it step by step. Before starting the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. So we'll start solving it by writing this first equation, x minus y equal 9. We can write it as x equals y plus 9. So we call this equation as the first equation. We now put this value of x in our this equation. Now we have x square plus y square equals to 81. We will put the value of x here. So y plus 9 whole square plus y square equals 81. As we know the formula that a plus b whole square always equals to a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. We will now use this formula here, y plus 9 whole square. So after applying we get y square plus b square is 81 plus 2 into y into 9 plus y square equals 81. So it will be y square plus 81 plus 18y plus y square equals 81. Now we can combine y square plus y square. It's 2y square plus 18y plus 81 equals to 81. Now in the next step we will subtract 81 on both sides. We get 1 square plus 18y plus 81 minus 81, 81 minus 81, cancel. We get 2y square plus 18y equal to 0. Now you can see that here y can be taken as a common. So our equation now becomes y common, 2y plus 18 equals to 0. So either we have a y equals 0 or 2y plus 18 equals to 0. Or it will be 2y equals to minus 18. We subtract 18 on both sides, we get this, and dividing 2 on both sides we get y equals to minus 9. So we have two values of y equal to 0 is the first value, y equals to minus 9 is the second value. Now we will put these values of y in our first equation, this one, x equals y plus 9, so that we get the value of x. If y equals to 0, then x is equals to y plus 9, x equals to 0 plus 9, and it's 9. So we have 1, 9, 0. And if y equals to minus 9, we have x equals to y plus 9 is the equation. It's minus 9 plus 9, x equals to 0, that is 0 and minus 9. So we get the two set values of x and y. Now we will now take two cases. In the case 1 we have xy value is 9, 0. So we can find x 2022 plus y power 2022 will be equals to x value is 9 power 2022 plus y value is 0 power 2022. So this will be 9 power 2022. We get the value of this for case 1 where x equals to 9 and y equals to 0. Now case 2, when x and y values are 0, minus 9, this one. So now the value of x power 2022 plus y power 2022 will be 0 power 2022 plus y is minus 9 power 2022, and it's a negative 1 and its power is even number, so it will be 9 power 2022. So we can say that in both the cases the value of x power 2022 plus y power 2022 is always 9 power 2022. So this is the final answer of the question. So the overview of this question is that we started by first taking equation x equals y plus 9, but putting the values of x in the second equation we get the values of y 0 and y equals minus 9. By putting values we get x values correspondingly. Then we make two cases, and both the cases we have the same answer of x power 2022 and y power 2022. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.